with the new chapter of Elexit. This chapter will be uploaded on my blog site in 6 hours. So let's start the chapter. They both are meeting up. I heard that the number one woman in this country is younger than you. Is that so? Although she is young, she is an awakening person representing this country and the head of an organization. Have enough courtesy when dealing with it. Be careful. Yes, I can't believe someone younger than me is ranked first in the country. The level of awakening in this country must be pathetic. You are just dreaming. That woman, and she is beautiful. You haven't told me what brought you here yet. Oh. I am sorry, I am leaving this country with my grandfather today. Oh, of course, it's a schedule to return in time for our match. Before that, I just wanted to meet the CEO for a while. And I also wanted to hear the answer to what he asked me for a chance. The room is full of silence. I am sorry. I don't think there's a chance I can give you. Oh, you refused the opportunity to be part of our Patrick family. But I can't help but move my mind. See you again. I keep getting attracted towards you. That confidence and beauty, the combination is great. She looked gorgeous. Elexit, episode 174. Hey, as you know, it's impossible to build strength separately within a month. Then what are you going to do? Use that power I can use it as effective as possible. He is doing training for their match. And I can control all my strength. Okay. What are you doing? The speed and the accuracies are gradually decreasing. Caden is mad. From the fingertips that attacks to a toe that moves faster and more accurately, more efficiently. Caden is just chilling out. Hey, take it easy. What difference does a month make a difference? He is right, but it might not be the difference. Eventually, that month builds up to become a year and a 2 years. Both are serious. The more I look at it, the more I look like you. It's similar to what I say. Means Katen and Jehu looks alike. But he is dried out. Hey, what are you doing? You have to keep on controlling your force and rest. Well, I am trying. Listen to it while resting. Patrick uses his own shadows. Shadow? Yeah, he uses ordinary method, but the real thing is that he uses his own shadow to attack and defend. Look carefully. Kaden is going to Kaden is going to demonstrate the shadow method. I think that shadow is moving. And here we go. It's the shadow of Kaden. It's scary. Since I am in the shadow, it's hard to control the force. That's too much for my body. I am tired. Well, it's like this, but the real thing is to use more powerful and freely. Just look at the face of Katen. He is soft. That guy, he didn't show it in a similar way using electricity. He showed it using shadows, right? Cats are really powerful. Does he have endless abilities? They are sleeping and doing their force. He's shaking his hands. They are training hard for the match. I heard that he recently knocked down the 95th ranker player. Congratulations. Thank you. So he has beat up to the 95th rank player. I wanted to I wanted to fight with a higher ranker, but I delayed everything because of today's confrontations. So basically today is the match between Zio and him. Oh, I see. I am worried about Zio. Did they arrive? And here's the entry of Kaden and Zio. They look cool together. Thank you for watching this chapter on my channel. This will be blurred in 6 to 8 hours to avoid copyright strikes, and this will be uploaded on my blog site. You can check the link in the description, or it will be available in the channel description. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Thank you.